Welcome to the NV Energy Renewable Generations Incentive Application tutorial. To help streamline the Renewable Generations Incentive Program process, NV Energy has selected PowerClerk. PowerClerk is an easy-to-use web-based tool that allows applicants to complete and monitor incentive applications electronically. This three-part series will guide you through the process of using PowerClerk to submit solar incentive applications to NV Energy. In the first part of this series, we'll discuss account basics and provide an overview of the application process and participants. Applying for NV Energy's Renewable Generations Incentive is a two-step process. The first step is to submit a reservation request. Once the reservation request has been confirmed and the system is installed, the second step of the process is to submit an incentive payment claim. After you've set up a PowerClerk account, you'll be able to complete each step of the incentive process and check the status of each application anytime via the Internet. As you fill out the reservation request and incentive payment claim forms, you'll be asked to provide information about a number of different parties involved with installing a new PV system. Let's take a quick look at the list of potential participants. The applicant is responsible for filling out and submitting the solar incentive application materials and is the main point of contact with the Renewable Generations Program Administrator for a specific application. The applicant could be the host customer, system owner, or a third party, but if you're filling out a reservation request, then you're most likely the applicant. The seller is the person or business that sells solar electric system equipment or the rights to use that equipment. The system installer is responsible for installing the equipment. A qualified solar system installer should be able to evaluate factors that will affect photovoltaic system performance, such as the orientation of the system, shading, model output mismatch, and inverter efficiency. The host customer is an individual or entity that has legal rights to occupy the installation site, receives electric service from NV Energy, is the utility customer of record at that project site, is connected to the electric grid, and is the recipient of the electricity generated by the solar equipment. The system owner is the owner of the solar electric system at the time the incentive is paid. In many cases, the host customer and the system owner are one and the same, but if the host customer leases a system, the lessor is the system owner. The payee is the person or company to whom the incentive check is made payable. To access the Renewable Generations programs on PowerClerk, open your web browser and navigate to nvenergy.powerclerk.com. Before you can use PowerClerk to apply for an incentive, you'll need an account. If you're a host customer applying for a Renewable Generations incentive for a project installed or to be installed on your home, business, building, school, or property, you can sign up for a PowerClerk account by clicking on the host customer registration link on the PowerClerk sign-in page. If you're an installer or seller, please contact Renewable Generations to register your company and obtain a PowerClerk account. Once your account is set up, type your account username and password in the account sign-in area, then click the Login button. When you sign in, the first screen will show a searchable, sortable list of the applications you've created. Here you'll see the application number for submitted applications, the customer name, the installer name, and the application status. Unsubmitted applications are displayed using red text, while applications that have already been submitted are displayed in black. The links at the left of the screen can be used to view, edit, or delete applications depending on application status. This list allows you to track the status of all your applications at a glance. This concludes the NV Energy Renewable Generations Getting Started application tutorial. In this section, we've discussed account basics and provided an overview of the application process and participants. To learn how to request an incentive reservation for your project, how to check the status of your application, and how to request the incentive payment, Be sure to watch our tutorials on the reservation request and incentive claim processes. If you have questions, would like to know more about NV Energy Renewable Generations Program, how to submit an application, when to submit an application, or about available capacity, visit our website at nvenergy.com/renewablegenerations or call Renewable Generations toll-free at 866-786-3823 or contact us by email at renewablegenerations@nvenergy.com. Set up a PowerClerk account and get started today.